High up in the sky lived a tiny raindrop named Drippy. All the other raindrops dreamed of falling first and making big splashes. "I'm too small," Drippy whispered. "I won't matter." One hot day, the land below was dry and cracked. Plants were drooping, and animals were thirsty. Dark clouds gathered, and rain began to fall. Drippy was scared as he fell through the air. But when he touched the ground, something magical happened. Right where Drippy landed, a small green seed opened up. Slowly, a beautiful plant began to grow. Days passed, and that little plant became a tall tree, giving shade, fruit, and shelter to many animals. Drippy smiled as he disappeared into the earth, knowing one thing: even one small drop can change the world.